So, hello, once again I'm back on my not so old and certainly not so new Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. Once again, streaming and recording locally, today streaming on the Twitch service, and I'm using, once again of course, KaOS Linux, an independent Linux distribution. It doesn't use any more KDE Plasma. Instead, it uses Niri and Noctalia. And before I will continue, I would like to show you the system information using the GUI and then the terminal. Starting with the GUI. Here we are. About Noctalia cell version 4.6.7. And of course, you can pause the stream later on in the day or something, the video, and read the information, the system information here on your own pace, no problem at all. But also I will open up the terminal for you, like this for example. I will zoom it a bit. So yeah, as you can see, KaOS 2026. What's important here, it's that it's the February release of 2026. This is extremely important. I will return to this later on. And as you can see, I'm using the system in its native screen resolution of 2560 by 1600 at 165 Hz. However, I'm streaming and recording in Full HD 25 FPS. And of course, the system, maybe I forgot to mention this, it's an AMD edition of Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, and the CPU is AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, and the graphics are NVIDIA RTX 3070 mobile graphics, or else Max-Q. And the system also has 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD space. So yeah, these are the system's information. And as I said the other day, I have managed to complete the ability for me to change my wallpapers as I see fit on the fly by pressing a keybind that I have set in place. So I will do this right now. I will start from around number 10. I will start about 650, and soon thereafter you will be seeing cyberpunk like wallpapers. So let's do that. Let's jump to that around that and boom. So yeah, this one was one of my major goals that I wanted to do with this system. And the other one was to have the ability to create, so to speak, my own mouse cursors. And maybe you have seen it already. I'm using this magenta filled cursor with bright green outline. Anyway, and depending on where I will move my cursor, of course it adheres to this situation. And this was my second major goal, and of course this is part of the fun of the second goal of having my own cursor. My ultimate game, my ultimate purpose, my ultimate goal for this was to be able to have a mouse cursor factory, so to speak. And I'm going to demonstrate this for you now. So I will press my keybind again, and then I'm getting this interface, and it asks me what I want to do. Create a new color set, switch to an existing set, and or rename or remove one. Right now, because most probably it will ask me to switch to go offline, log off or something, or restart the Niri session. I will not do that. I don't want to do that because I'm streaming and recording. But even then, I will show you how it works. So as soon as I will click to create a new color and then OK, it will ask you for the name, and then it will ask you for fill and outline color, and it will create the mouse cursor. This is the process, very simple. You just need to know basically the colors of your choosing. The other thing when doing this cursor factory, yeah, better not to demonstrate it, but trust me, you can do like, how can I say this? I will show you what I have created basically. I will go here to my icons. As you can see, I have plenty of cursors here, and I have prepared plenty of them, and I can switch them on the fly. I just need for sure to log out or restart the system, or I don't know, restart a new session. But I will not do it now. I don't want to do it now because I'm streaming and recording. However, what I can do, I will do this instead. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to do this actually, because I'm not sure about the repercussions. On one hand I want to show you, and on the other hand I'm not sure. Oh well, let's have some fun. I'll break the stream, no problem. So yeah, I will choose an existing set, and I will for example select, I don't know, maybe Blackstar. Let's select Blackstar, or yeah, Blackstar, okay. As you can see, the mouse cursor changed. Now it has a black fill and a red outline. This is one of the things that I have created. And let's select another one. I will select, for example, Cyber Magenta, why not? Let's do that. Boom. And as you can see, I can switch this on the fly, but maybe while working the system now, at some places maybe it will display a different color. Let's open up the applications now that I have here on the dock. Let's make a fun test, control, checkup. And most probably it will be fine, but better to make sure if you will be using this to relog or restart the system. And as it seems right now, it's like no problem between while using the system, no problem whatsoever. But it could have a problem. It could have a problem. Yeah, as you can see, no problem, regardless of the app. But as I said, it could have a problem. It's better not to gamble on this. Better to log out the session. Let's go to Vivaldi as well. Let's try, for example, go to YouTube. Boom. Okay, as you can see, no problem at all. Okay, let's go to another website, KaOS, which of course we had to go here as well. We have to go because I told you about this, that I will talk about this later on. And maybe this is a good time to do it now. So yeah, what I want to say about KaOS is that when you will go to the website, it has plenty of good information, easy to understand, nothing hard, nothing difficult. It still needs to be updated properly if you ask me, but anyway, it says a Lin KDE distribution. This is not the truth any longer. Actually, KDE has not been a part for this distribution since past February of 2026. However, KaOS is an independent built from scratch Linux distribution focused on Qt and Niri Noctalia. This is the truth nowadays. And if you can go here on the news, they have couple updated articles. One is this one and the other is this one. So the first one is KaOS 2026 February. KaOS presents a February ISO with a complete change from what you expect from this distribution. Latest news for this ISO. You will not find Plasma or Kwing on this ISO, though KaOS has always been a KDE Plasma only distribution. Instead, you will find the Niri Noctalia based system. Yada yada yada. Read all this information here, very important. And also this one, Systemd and the Future of KaOS. The announcement of KaOS 2026 February seems to have created a lot of questions regarding the possible move away from Systemd. Since that announcement did not go into detail, this post will try and clarify the situation. And it does. If you will keep reading below, it does. Anyway, this is very important distinction. Regarding of the politics or whatever behind this, I'm on board, count me in. And I will advise anyone who likes what you see here on this video, in this stream, to actually go ahead and give yourself this system a shot. Yeah, the other day I've demonstrated how well in fact it functions while recording, streaming, having a game loaded, plus many apps open. And today I will do almost the same thing. I will try to open up as many applications as possible, and I will do that through this system, the menu here, the application menu here. I will start once again with Audacity. We loaded this before. I will do this with Handbrake as well, for example. What else? Kdenlive, why not? This one will open the, yes, my own version that I prefer to use. Then we will go to MPV Media Player. This is my preferred media player actually, but the system has others as well, Parabolic. I will keep opening apps, as I said. I want to show you the system. I will open all these apps in one workspace, the same workspace, and then I will move to another one. This one, of course, why not? And then I will open up VLC Media Player. And also, why not, I will open Tenacity as well, which is basically another fork of Audacity. Why not? Let's open it up. Here it is. And now we'll move to another workspace and keep opening, keep loading apps. I will go here. I don't know, NeoChat, whatever. Let's go here. Compare, why not? Let's open up the calculator. These are gaming stuff, I think, besides the one that I have opened for Final Fantasy, I mean. What about this one? Graphics, yeah. Let's open up GIMP. One is the system version and the other is the Flatpak version. I have both installed. I want to test them out. GwenView, why not? Let's open up a folder with pictures, plenty of pictures. Like this one, it has about 800 pictures, this one. As you can see, pretty snappy, no problem whatsoever. Inkscape, why not? Well, I will just new document it. Okay. And then I will go to Krita, why not? As you can see, the system is quite capable, no problem whatsoever. Let's do a new image as well. Boom. You go there as well. Stop pestering me. Ocular, why not? Boom. And then I will go to another workspace as well and keep opening a few more apps. Almost done, I think. Conversation, why not? Thunderbird, I haven't customized this one just yet. Transmission, why no? Why not? Then let's go, I don't know, to Joplin. Boom. Writer, yes. Okay. Let's have the usual test. No problem whatsoever, as you can see. Another workspace. almost done, I think. Let's open the compress extract application. Let's move it in place like this. Almost done. Flat seal, why not? Kate, why not? Octopi, of course, yes. This is the GUI method of installing applications for the system. Quite good. Qt6 settings, yes, of course. I think you understand the deal. This is the browser of the system. The system has this browser installed by default, but I also installed Firefox. But as you can see, I'm not using this, just install them, because my main browser is this one, Vivaldi. But as you can see, the system is like masterful in its quality. Like it uses all the apps like they are nothing, and it jumps from workspace to another workspace like it's nothing. No problem whatsoever. Yeah, I have nothing but good things to say about this system, really. Highly advised. Sorry, wrong keybind there. Let's close up the apps. Don't save. Yeah, I think we are done, yes. Like nothing was opened. It took me more time to start them up than close them. Yeah, insane. And the system keeps chugging along like not breaking a sweat at all. Quite stable release, even though I'm poking a lot of how can I say this, trouble on it, but it doesn't complain, it just chugs along. Anyway, I don't want to drag this any longer. When I will complete, let's give you this one a preview as well. I'm writing the guide as well, and right now is about 11 pages. This one is getting done as well. So yeah, not plenty of time, but things are getting done still. Anyway, hopefully you liked what you saw. Hopefully you like in general what you see. As always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one, of course. Bye!